how to handle rejection. You ever been like properly rejected? And not necessarily just relationship rejection, but job rejection, whatever.
All the you can't our business and rejection. You got audition and you think you do great. You wait for somebody call you, but nobody not call you.
Don't call us, we'll call you.
Yes.
So how do you deal with that kind of rejection? How do you personally deal with rejection? Yeah.
I try not to take it personal.
Yeah, but you're human, so you try not to take it personal, but
I'm trying to take, and I think moving on to the next thing helps. If you kind of wallow in it and wallow in it and wallow in it.
So how that work if it's a relationship? You just move on to the next one?
Well,
Dumb.
No, but let me tell you something. Sometimes, you see, we're stubborn. Because we see rejection and come from a long time.
And you just lock your eye and walk through like
we see it coming up. We see it come. And we say, no, I not it.
Well, you see.
And then when it liquid now, we say, we never see it come.
The first,
we can't believe
the first tip on the paper negates what you just said. It says you must have an appropriate grieving period. So don't just jump from one to the next, miss. It says you're going to feel upset because of the rejection, whether it's a manuscript, rejected at work, or potential romantic partner, but you must take some time out of your life to process the rejection. So if you need to take the day off, please make sure you know, as a producer, write this on the paper. So if I am rejected in the morning and I come to TVJ and the makeup artist reject me, I can go home and take the day and process the rejection. Because it hurts.
No, but why processing the rejection mean? Me can't process the rejection and enjoy myself.
This say you must take a moment.
Mental processing?
Yeah, it's a take a moment.
No, sir. No, okay, not depression here send people in there now. If you did plan for go out, nobody go out. Stay in and process the rejection.
Yeah, that's it, say.
No, sir. What am I processing? I know. I lie them, I tell. Call some friend and tell them, say, oh gosh, this is what happened. Relax. And let them help. Okay.
What's the next one?
Talk to a trusted adult. See? So, cancel the first one.
No, this is after you take the time to process.
The friend you want is the one who will tell it to you straight.
Amen.
They can help you sort out what went wrong. Yes.
And not the one that say, oh, but you never do anything wrong. Don't worry about it. You know, you're the best actor in the world. You're the best writer in the world. Keep at it. You're the best presenter in the world. Not telling you, look now, you never say, well, you do foolishness. You never say you never study hard enough. You never say you never do this properly. Try again this way.
Like, when I was Johnny Daly. And they're saying, boy, deals, you know, most of the times film is a particular look, or they're looking for a particular, so it's probably them not for doing your talent.
Not
they just have to do what they're looking for.
That is very true.
So
don't be despondent. Don't lose hope.
Nah, Jesus, this avoid getting on social media to hear your grievances.
Amen. Amen.
Me go on social media and me put me, of course.
When you're rejected, or just when you feel like you have an issue to speak about?
Me hear everything, because after me done hear it, me done. Me good. People comment and me laugh. The internet never forgets, and when you're trying to get that fab new job, your employer might check the internet and see that you don't handle rejection well. Yes! So if you're going to reject me, not call me for your interview.
Well, here's the thing. The next one, you actually said it already. Accept the rejection early. And the last one, don't take it personally.
Yes.
Guys, all the way going to get rejected. Sometimes people just not go want you for something. I just saw it go.
And sometimes people fight you out and you get rejection based on what people do. Like Carol.